If you grow cucumbers this way, you might never need to buy them again. Really, these tips are easy and work so well. You can grow basket after basket of fresh, crisp cucumbers right at home, even if you have never grown anything before. No more bitter taste, no more tiny vines giving up halfway through summer. Just healthy plants loaded with cucumbers growing on your patio, balcony, or garden bed. This method works in small spaces, big spaces, and everything in between. Keep watching, and you will learn exactly how to make it happen. Let's be honest, growing cucumbers sounds easy, but it doesn't always go as planned. Maybe you planted some seeds, and they barely grew. Or the vines looked fine, but the cucumbers were bitter or curled up. Sometimes bugs attack, or the plants dry out or stop growing. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many gardeners give up on cucumbers after a rough first try. But the truth is, cucumbers are not hard, they just need the right setup. Once you know how to give them what they like, they grow fast, stay healthy, and give you more cucumbers than you can use. Once you get the hang of it, cucumbers are one of the most rewarding vegetables you can grow. They taste so much better than store-bought ones. Homegrown cucumbers are crisp, juicy, and full of flavor, not dull or watery. You also get to pick them at their peak, so they are always fresh. Plus, think about how much money you save. A healthy plant can give you dozens of cucumbers all season, starting from just a few seeds. They grow fast, keep producing, and are fun to watch climb and spread. Whether you want to slice them for salads, make pickles, or snack on fresh from the vine, homegrown cucumbers are a real treat. Once you try them this way, you may never want to buy them again. Not all cucumbers are the same, and choosing the right kind matters. If you love fresh slices for salads or sandwiches, pick a slicing variety. These are usually long, smooth, and perfect for eating raw. But if you like pickles, choose smaller, bumpier ones made for that. They stay crunchy even after soaking in brine. Growing in a small space? Try bush or patio types. They do well in containers and stay compact. No matter what you pick, always check the label for words like disease-resistant and fast-growing. This sets you up for a simpler, more successful season right from the start. The best time to plant cucumbers is after the last frost, when the soil is warm. Cucumbers love warmth, so planting too early can slow growth or kill seeds. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun daily. They need lots of light to grow strong and produce plenty of fruit. Make sure the soil drains well so roots don't sit in water. If you have a small garden or balcony, you can also grow cucumbers in containers with good potting soil. Just give each plant enough space, about a foot or two apart, so the vines have room to spread. Many gardeners make a big mistake here that hurts their cucumber harvest, but you won't. It's easy to avoid and makes all the difference. If you get this step right, your cucumbers will grow faster, stay healthier, and give you more fruit all season. Keep watching, because the secret to fast cucumber growth is coming up next, and it's easier than you think. Great cucumbers start with great soil. They need soil that drains well, but holds enough moisture. A mix with plenty of compost or aged organic matter works best. Compost adds nutrients and keeps the soil loose, so roots can grow deep and strong. Avoid heavy clay or sandy soil by adding organic matter to improve texture. The soil should be slightly acidic to neutral, about 6.0 to 7.0 pH. But if you are not sure, a simple soil test kit can help. Good drainage is key, because cucumbers don't like wet roots, which can cause root rot. You can also add mulch around the plants to keep moisture steady and stop weeds from taking over. Healthy soil means happy plants and bigger, tastier cucumbers all season. Start by preparing your soil or container with fresh compost mixed in. If planting seeds, plant them about 1 inch deep in loose soil. Space each seed or seedling about 12 to 18 inches apart so the plants have room to grow. After planting, water the area gently but deeply to help seeds settle and start growing. Keep the soil moist but not soggy too much. Water can harm young plants. When seedlings appear, thin them if they are too close by cutting the weaker ones at the base. This gives the stronger plants enough space. Mulching around the plants helps keep moisture steady and stops weeds. Watch for the first leaves to grow strong before feeding your plants with a balanced fertilizer. Starting your cucumbers this way helps them get off to a strong, healthy start so they can produce lots of fruit. Cucumber vines love to climb, and giving them support helps a lot. Using a simple trellis or cage lets the vines grow upward, saving space and keeping the fruit clean and straight. When vines climb, air flows better around plants, which lowers the chance of diseases. You can build a trellis from wood or wire or buy ready-made cages at garden stores. Start guiding your young vines to the support early by gently lifting and tying them with soft ties or garden twine. Supporting your cucumbers also makes harvesting easier because the fruit is more visible and easier to pick. This simple step helps your plants grow strong and produce more cucumbers. Cucumbers need regular watering to stay healthy and produce juicy fruit. Water deeply once or twice a week, making sure the soil stays evenly moist but not soaked. Early morning is the best time to water so leaves dry during the day and prevent disease. Avoid watering leaves directly. Water at the base of the plant. Feeding your cucumbers is also important. Use a balanced fertilizer or one higher in potassium once plants start flowering to encourage more fruit. Too much nitrogen causes lots of leaves but fewer cucumbers, so keep feeding balanced. With the right watering and feeding, your cucumber plants will stay healthy, taste better, and give you a bigger harvest. You are just weeks away from picking fresh, juicy cucumbers from your garden. It's exciting to see those vines full of fruit ready to harvest. Knowing exactly when to pick is key to getting the best taste and texture. Stay with me because I will share simple tips on when your cucumbers are ready and how to pick them without hurting the plant. Your best cucumber harvest is almost here. Harvest cucumbers when they are firm, green, and about 6 to 8 inches long, depending on the type. Pick them before they turn yellow or grow too big because that can make them bitter or tough. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the cucumber from the vine, leaving a little stem to help it last longer. Try not to pull or twist the fruit, as that can damage the plant. Check plants every couple of days during harvest to avoid missing the best picking moment. Fresh cucumbers from your garden taste amazing. To get more cucumbers from your plants, try pruning vines by cutting off any yellow or dead leaves. This helps the plant focus energy on producing fruit. Plant herbs like dill or marigolds nearby to keep pests away naturally. Make a habit of checking your garden weekly to catch problems early. Mulch around plants to keep soil moist and stop weeds. Feeding cucumbers with balanced fertilizer every few weeks gives them the boost they need. These simple steps can lead to bigger, healthier harvests you will enjoy all season. You are ready to grow cucumbers that will keep you picking fresh and tasty all summer long. Just follow these easy steps and you will never have to buy cucumbers again. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more gardening advice. Don't forget to watch the next video to learn how to grow tomatoes like a pro. Happy gardening!